Wars, extinctions, conflict, violence are not distant words. They form the world into which children are born. They define risk and shape their future. Pandemics, hunger, displacement converge with a damaged climate, collapsing ecosystems, and weakened institutions, each linked to others. Human health, animal health, environmental health compose one system, one homeland, each a home. Break one apart, all falter together. The question is direct. What difference will it make to prepare children for this reality? The difference is everything. Education can be a shield. Education can be a tool. Education can be a cure. It can also be a compass that orients judgment, courage, and service. Prepared minds do not inherit collapse. They grow into knowledge, skill, resilience, duty. They move from fear to practice and from confusion to method. They know how. Picture students in classrooms not memorizing abstractions. Picture them testing water, measuring air, monitoring biodiversity. Picture them mapping disease, tracing misinformation, debating decisions. Picture results shared across borders, compared, improved, and acted upon. This is not enrichment for a few. This is a new foundation for education. Curricula built for resilience, peace, and health. Apprenticeships, projects, exchanges across countries, and challenge-based learning. Homework that brings science into families. Teachers guiding learners through real-world problems. Headmasters and professors anchoring change in institutions. Public and private actors aligned. Learners study open science and open technology as shared instruments. Not closed products, not gated privileges. Open, transparent, reproducible, and shared widely. Open science means knowledge, methods, and data are not locked away. They are published, tested, and shared. They are improved by many minds, not hidden behind paywalls or vendor contracts. This is how vaccines reached clinics at record speed. This is how climate evidence is validated. Standards and methods need us at bettering. Science got us here, technology-wise. Results must be reliable and accessible. Place the highest standards of science in student hands. Make state-of-the-art methods usable in classrooms. Today, technology makes sharing knowledge instant. The same must be true for science. Tools for analysis, translation, collaboration, and communication belong directly in student hands. When their world is not only explained to them, it becomes workable, healing, not harming, understanding, not dividing, for diseases, for ecosystems, and for societies torn by violence. The program is practical. Start where children live. Begin with local waters, soils, air, food, animal health, and human well-being. Instrument the environment with simple sensors. Calibrate, log data, interpret with care. Compare across seasons. Connect findings to decisions that improve lives. Link schools with clinics, farms, laboratories, observatories, councils, double-checking, engaging civil society, municipalities, agencies, universities. Building a living network that enables learning and action. To be measuring with care. Teach causality, uncertainty, ethics, law, responsibility, accountability, communication. Use open hardware where possible. Use auditable software. Use reproducible workflows. Publish in the open. Document every step. Control every change. Hold decision exercises. Compare options. Estimate costs and benefits. Assess risks. Record rationales. Select actions. Test the actions. Observe side effects. Report back. Revise. Try again. This rhythm is education as capability building. It is education as self-rule. It is education as resilience grounded in method and care. Children learn by doing together across borders. They learn to disagree with care. They learn to coordinate at scale. They learn to value method over noise. They learn to build trust in a time that erodes it. They learn to see systems, not fragments. The governance model follows the same lines: participation by design, transparency by default, accountability through records, inclusion through access, safety through standards, Institutions maintain stewardship. Communities hold voice. Experts serve as guides. Students carry momentum. Teachers keep coherence. Partners bring resources. Funding supports missions, training, exchanges, and dissemination. Support enables continuity. Continuity enables mastery. No single discipline holds the keys. Medicine without ecology fails. Ecology without society fails. Society without ethics fails. Ethics without method fails. Method without purpose fails. Purpose is clear. Care for life. Care for knowledge. Care for the conditions that sustain both. Prepare for crises without surrendering hope. Build competence that lowers risk and widens possibility. The future is not given. It is built by hands that learn to build together. It is governed with consent. It is shared with fairness. This is a call to educators, students, families, practitioners, institutions, and investors. Join and make this real in classrooms, clinics, farms, field stations, councils, and laboratories. Join and bring your craft. Join and help set standards that others can trust. Join and help build tools that others can extend. Join and teach the next cohort to carry forward. Wars, extinctions, illness, violence are not distant words. They are conditions that can be changed, not by wishful thinking, but by study, care, work, method, and solidarity. Prepare children for the world as it is. Equip them to repair the world they will inhabit. Give them science that functions. Give them technology that serves. Give them governance that listens. Give them a community that learns. Then watch what follows. Health that lasts. Peace that holds. A future that holds.